All right, for step 2, we're going to be working with one piece of our contact paper. And what you need to do, basically this is just like a big sticker, and it's clear, and then it has this backing on it. So what you need to do is peel off just a little bit of the backing. Now I'll let you know, this stuff is super, super sticky. And if the sticky sides stick together, they'll probably stay that way. So be very careful with it. What you're gonna do is peel back just like one edge here, okay? Don't peel the whole thing off just yet, okay? Peel back just a little bit and fold that little edge backwards, okay? Just like that. And then you're gonna flip it over and stick it down to your work surface, like so. Okay, so that edge that I folded back is stuck down now. Now, you can take this backing paper and peel the rest off, and you'll have the sticky side up here. Okay, again, be very careful. Make sure that folded edge stays stuck down. This is a step that younger folks might need a little extra help with. Even some of the big kids need help with this. Okay, but if you stick that folded edge first, that peeling will be much easier. Now I have a nice flat piece of contact paper with the sticky side up. See that? It is super sticky, okay? All right, once you have that, your job is to stick your frame down one piece at a time. So I'm gonna get a good look at my frame here so I can remember my design. And then I'm gonna stick this outside frame first. And then I'll come back in with all my other little pieces. Now again, if you made a frame like this, cool. If your frame is just strips around the edge, that would work great too. Okay, it's totally up to you how much detail you want to put in. Now, be very careful when you go to stick this. You want to leave a little bit of sticky edge all the way around. So don't put it all the way up to the edge of the contact paper. You want to leave a little bit. Now, see how I stuck one corner and then smooth it down. Smooth it down. That'll make sure it all gets stuck on there nice and flat. All right. Now I'm going to go in and lay in my detail pieces. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and put my detail pieces back together over here to the side real quick so I can try to remember my design. Okay, because once you stick paper down to this sticky contact paper, it's going to stay there. Okay, so make sure you know exactly where you want to put these pieces before you stick them down. All right, and once you have all your pieces stuck down in your frame, you'll be ready to scroll down for step 3.